Hello everyone, and this is going to be an introducing to my cat video. So this is Ivory. Her favorite color is pink. If you didn't already know, look at her color. Show them your color. Come on. See, that's her color. And her birthday is October the 1st. She's a bit shy. Hello. She's got a sister named Winter. Okay, sweetie, it's just the rain. Just the rain. Sorry, I'm gonna have to end this video here since I don't have much to do. She's very boring. I'll go see if I can get a toy. Can you guys wait here? Just wait here. I'll be back. I'm just getting a toy. Don't worry guys, I'm back. I got a bowl. Go get it. Now she's in a sleepy mood today. Sorry, she's in a sleepy mood. She's a bit fat, so she's not that playful. No, don't shake. Ooh. She's gonna get it. She has it. Look, there it is. She hit it. And she just rolls. So, bye guys. I'll end this video here. And the next video, I really want it to be like a reading your comments. So, get the comments rolling in. Get as many as you can. So I can try and read them, please. I want to do something interesting like everyone else does. But I can't because I'm just an ordinary person. Not like Dentity. I'm a big fan of his. He's the one who inspired me to write all these. I won't keep you any longer, so bye.